All right, guys, we're going to do a function block diagram, and we're going to enable the cursor keys on it. It's a little bit different than if you do this in ladder. So let's open a function block diagram here. And what we're going to do, instead of adding an input like we've been doing with ladder diagram, we're going to add a cursor key. So we'll put this over here. Now this is our up cursor key. Of course, we could change it, but we're going to add one more. That's going to be the down cursor key here. And then we're going to add let's just for fun, let's add an OR block here, or basic function. And then we will also add a output or a Q over here. That way we've got a couple of cursor keys to mess with here just to make sure everything's worked. I'm going to tie in my lines here, and since this is an OR, no matter which cursor key I push, it's going to send an output to the Q there. So let's give this a try. First of all, well, we've got to add message text in order for the cursor keys to work. That's just the nature of the program. So while I'm here at the top of the instruction section here, I'm going to grab a high, and I'm going to grab an open connector. Then I've got to scroll all the way down to the bottom of my instructions and grab a message text. Now you don't have to, add any text on the screen if you don't want to, but you do have to enable the screen using this high here. So it's kind of like a 24 volts you're sending to it, except it's virtual. And then this open connector is just, that's the way Logosoft works. You've got to have that open connector on there. All right, now let's download this program to the PLC. I thought I had my address in there, but I do not. So I'm going to add it, test it, and allow. If that comes up, click OK, change it to stop mode, and then we're going to go ahead and change it back to run. I'm going to go online with it, and I've got to punch in the address again. Test just to make sure it's working. Click OK. Everything should show up now. Now on the cursor keys in function block diagram, or any for that matter, you've got to push the escape key on the logo itself. Now this is not the escape key on the computer. I know that some of you guys have been pushing the escape key on the computer. We're going to push escape here, and then we'll push the cursor up button, and that turns our light on. And being this is an OR, it goes ahead and turns it on whether I'm pushing the up or if I'm pushing the down. It would be hard to do if it was an AND, of course, but we're working with an OR here. So anytime you want to add cursor keys to an output, push the escape key. Once you've done that, hold the escape key down and then push the up or push the down on that. And of course you got the right and the left as well. Don't forget, you got to have message text enabled on there. Good luck with this one and enjoy.